Episode 4. Balance is trainable and crucial. Losing balance is not just a nuisance, it's a warning sign. For millions of seniors, a simple trip or misstep can result in life-altering injuries. But what if you could train your balance the same way you train a muscle? The truth is, you can. Science now confirms that balance is a trainable skill, and even those in their 70s, 80s, and 90s can regain stability with the right exercises. A meta-analysis published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that balance training reduced fall risk by a remarkable 43%. Another study from the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy showed that just 10 minutes a day of targeted balance work significantly improved coordination and confidence in walking. Balance is the invisible foundation of independence. It's not just about staying upright, it's about walking unassisted, rising from a chair, reaching overhead without wobbling, and even navigating stairs with grace. From a biblical lens, we understand balance spiritually as well. Proverbs 4:26 says, "Ponder the path of thy feet, and let all thy ways be established." God created us to walk with sure steps, both physically and spiritually. So how do you begin training balance today? Start small. Practice standing on one leg while holding a counter for support. Do heel-to-toe walking, like on a tightrope, along a hallway. Close your eyes for a few seconds while standing still to increase your proprioceptive challenge. These simple exercises awaken the nerves and muscles that keep you steady. Consider adding faith-based movement into your routine. Christian yoga or gentle Tai Chi can enhance your balance while also offering moments of spiritual connection. A 2022 study in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity reported that Tai Chi improved both physical stability and reduced anxiety in adults over 65. Incorporate scripture into your practice. As you balance, recite verses such as Psalm 18:33, "He makes my feet like hinds' feet and sets me upon my high places." This aligns your physical training with your spiritual growth. Don't forget your feet. Wear supportive shoes and check for foot issues that could impair balance. Physical therapists recommend performing balance training barefoot when safe to strengthen the small muscles in your feet. And finally, don't train alone. Balance work is safer and more fun when done with a partner. Invite a spouse, child, or church friend to join you. In conclusion, balance is not a passive gift. It's an active discipline. With just a few minutes a day, you can retrain your brain and body to move with confidence again. God calls you to walk in strength and steadiness, physically and spiritually. Action steps. Practice one-leg stands for 30 seconds per leg, 3x daily. Walk heel-to-toe down a hallway to challenge your gait. Try Christian yoga or Tai Chi to combine faith and movement. Meditate on Proverbs 4:26 and Psalm 18:33 as part of your practice.